To attract highly talented employees who are crucial in your ability to create a strong foundation for your business, you need to create a brand story that has the intuition of potential employees interested in exploring the idea of working for you. This is where, as a leader, you need to use persuasion to create the scenario that starts to convince a potential employee's intuition that there may be better opportunities while working for your business rather than where they're working now, using a technique that body language expert Mark Bowden shows that might just pull the right employee you're looking for away from your competitor.
As leaders, it is our duty to persuade people. Let's take that idea. How do I get, the talent from my competitor over to me? Well, first of all, I don't tell those talent that they've made the wrong decision working for them. I get in flow with them. I get in there next to them and I go, this is good. I can see why you work here. This is really nice. And then you go, well, here's what I see in front of you. You could keep with this, or I see that there are other options for you along the way. And by the way, I totally see why you would stay with this. I've been sitting in it with you and it's really nice. But here's the way I think you could go. I think you can have, some of that really good that you've got here, and I see some extra for you, this route here. Oh, by the way, I see this over here, which is a sacrifice almost. Like, you sacrifice some of this, but there is, and you take a risk at this point, but the payoff on that, I could see, tell me if I'm wrong, but you might enjoy that, And so you go, what do you think? What do you think of what I've just described? Now I'm telling them a story that they might be persuaded by. They might want to move hard. They may even want to go, yeah, tell me about this thing about where I lose some of the stuff that I've got and I take a big risk with that. But there's a different land over there, which is a better land, more interesting land for me. Tell me about that.
With Mark showing how you can gently persuade someone to move away from your competitor to come to work for you, the effect that this has is that it creates an initial sense of trust with your brand that has them wanting to explore that option. Deepening that sense of trust means that, as a leader, you need to be very genuine in sharing your journey, which is something that David Dame learned to do, with him telling the story of how he ended up away from his wheelchair and falling headfirst in the ocean in this video.